I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 online. First, make sure your console or PC has a stable internet connection. Next, install the game and download all necessary updates to ensure smooth gameplay. Finally, you'll need to create or log into your Activision account, which is essential for accessing all online features and multiplayer modes. Once you're in the game, head to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. Here, you'll find a variety of game modes to choose from, like Team Deathmatch or Domination. Pick the one that sounds most fun to you. The game's matchmaking system will then quickly find an active lobby and get you into the action. Before jumping into a match, take some time to customize your loadout. Experiment with different weapons, attachments, and perks to find what suits your playstyle best. During the game, effective communication with your team is key. Use voice chat or quick pings to coordinate strategies and call out enemy positions. Remember to focus on objectives to help your team win. To truly enhance your online experience, take a moment to fine-tune your game settings. Adjust sensitivity, graphics, and audio to find what works best for you. Playing with friends can also make a huge difference, offering better coordination and more fun. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial game, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals. It's worth a look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.